And the boys are already here. Morning, Abs. Show off. What's on?
Not to trust a bitch from the prostitutes. Tallest, a young nigga asking questions to other circles. For me, came for credit. I'm headed for the penitentiary and cut class in the fucking class.
Morning, Abs.
Hey, how are you, buddy?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Do some fucking rollers. Like when we were on the main strip, just come out from the side like this, and then I'll catch up and just stick to my side. Yeah.
If you want to do it that way, we can.
Do it that way, yeah.
We can. Yeah. Or we could do it like we did the Audi video and mount it on the side.
Yeah,
and
we'll do that when we get to North Mall, when we're coming out of it.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. So yeah, just chuck your bag in here, bro. Yeah.
There's enough room, man?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Yeah. If you don't have enough room, you can put it in mine. Oh yeah, if you can, bro. Yeah. Sleep in there. Oh man, when the seat goes back, man, you can fucking put 5 people in there. Easily, dead bodies.
What did he say?
Alright, we'll cruise it along. Highway, like we going to Scarbs, like the...
Okay, so as you come out...
yeah, I know where to go. Follow me. Yeah, yep, I know where to go. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Nick Minute.
That is fucking fast. That is fucking fast. Holy shit. Damn, what? Fuck, bro, that's the shit, bro.
20 minutes later.
That thing is fucking fast, bro. Imagine. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. I'll get my cameraman water. Water?
Yeah, please.
Oh, bro.
These are my favourite.
Yeah, have you tried the
They're special, mate.
yeah,
I love it.
Have you tried the protein one?
No, I haven't.
Protein water, bro. Oh man, it's fucking legit, bro. That shine. Because I'm shining today. Trying to keep up with fucking abs, but yeah. So I could hear him 200 meters away from the car. Fucking that crackle and pop.
But
So,
bro, that whining noise, I was like, whoa.
Oh, you can hear it, can you?
Yeah, I heard it, man. Yeah.
So, bro, your pace fast. All right, so we'll shoot off and head over to North Mall.
One hour later.
Pop it, bro, pop it.
Don't burn my hair going straight away.
Yeah, we were here last time. There's no way he could take the drone out, and then he could just film the whole entire fucking, what is it? Swan River, the fucking city and shit, and then we'll have it flying over here and like just, you know, take our cars and shit.
Sick, mate.
Right, it's gonna look fucking killer, bro.
Yeah.
It's fucking mint. Right.
With his Kieran's talent.
Yep. So we've actually come to this car park. It's way better now for the drone footage and shit, and then we'll shoot off to Freo, shoot off to North Mall.
North Mall, yeah.
So that is it.